Assalamualaikum, my name is Puteri Elyssa from DLS 3B. Today we'll be talking about contract manufacturing. This is our group mate, which is myself, Puteri Elyssa, and Taanushrie. Contract manufacturing is a mode of entry in international business where a company hires a foreign firm to produce its goods under a contract agreement. Basically, contract manufacturing means a company makes a deal with a foreign company to produce its product. The brand owner only provides the design and quality standard while the foreign company does the production. This helps companies enter international market without building their own factories. For example, Apple hired Foxconn in China to make its product while Apple focus on design and marketing. Next, key characteristic. First is outsourcing production. This means the parent company lets a foreign company handle the manufacturing. The products are still sold under the parent company brand, but production happens overseas. This allows the company to focus on other areas like marketing and product design. Next is the detailed contract agreement. This agreement includes everything, which is product design, material, and price. It makes sure both sides know their responsibilities and that the final product meets the company's standard. The third one is brand ownership. Even though another company makes the product, logo, and design still belong to the parent company. The manufacturer cannot use or sell the same product under their own name. Lastly, low capital requirement. Since the parent company doesn't need to build its own factory or buy equipment, it saves a lot of money. That's why contract manufacturing is a cheaper and low-risk way to enter a foreign market. Next, let's look at the main advantage of contract manufacturing. First, cost efficiency. By producing in countries with lower labor and manufacturing costs, companies can save money while keeping good quality. This helps them earn more profit or offer cheaper prices to customers. Second, fast market entry. Instead of spending time and money to build a factory, a company can start production quickly through a foreign manufacturer. This helps them enter the global market faster and respond to demand quickly. Third, focus on core activities. Since production is handled by another company, the parent company can focus on other important areas like research, branding, and marketing. However, contract manufacturing also has some disadvantages. First, quality control issue. Since production happens overseas, it's harder to monitor everything. If the manufacturer doesn't meet the company's standard, product quality might drop and harm the brand image. Second, loss of control. The parent company has less control over the production process, so mistakes and delays from the manufacturer can affect deliveries and performance. Lastly, dependency. If a company depends too much on one manufacturer, any problem that happens to that manufacturer like strikes or supply issue can directly affect the company businesses. Compared to other entry modes, contract manufacturing is cheaper and less risky than joint ventures or wholly owned subsidiaries. For example, a wholly owned subsidiary needs to build a factory overseas which costs a lot. But with contract manufacturing, the company only signs an agreement, no factory needed. It also gives better control over product quality than licensing, and unlike joint ventures, there is no share ownership or profit, just a simple business deal.
So today I'm going to explain about the real company and example of contract manufacturing. Contract manufacturing company is Apple. Contract manufacturer such as Foxconn, which are located mainly at China. Apple is known for designing innovative products like the iPhone, iPad, and MacBook. So next, the Apple company provides the design, technology, and quality standards, while the Foxconn handles the mass production of the devices. The Apple company focuses to research, design, software, and marketing. This collaboration between Apple and Foxconn is one of the most famous examples of contract manufacturing. So the next slide is justification and application. First is it provides Cost efficiency. By outsourcing production to countries with lower labor costs, companies can save money on wages and material while still maintaining quality. Second is it allows the company to focus on its core competencies. For example, Apple company can spend more time and resources. So third, contract manufacturer give company flexibility. Contract manufacturer can adjust production based on demand. Lastly, manufacturer like Foxconn have expertise, advanced technology and experience. In conclusion, contract manufacture is a strategy way for company to manage global production efficiently. It helps to reduce costs and increase productivity and allow company to concentrate on what they do the best. We also develop a better understanding of how companies work together between across border to achieve their goals. Thank you very much for listening my presentation.